Hey everyone, just creating a short video here because it turns out for the SONA Alternate Activity it can be a little trickier to find the journal articles than we kind of thought it might be. So I want to walk you through and specifically highlight a little trick of a sort that I found out that makes it all easier. So let's start here at the Quercus page and let's just scroll down till we get to the SONA module, which is here. And of course, SONA, you can participate in experiments going on. That's what I would prefer to do. That lets you kind of feel the research in action, get to talk to an experimenter, but whatever. If for whatever reason you still need credits and you can't get enough through experimental participation, we have this alternate assignment that you can do to still get those percentages. And I just want to walk you through, let me go into the instructions. And as you go into the instructions, really it's this first part that I'm going to focus on. The rest of it I think is perfectly clear about what we're asking you to do from that. But the first part, we say we only want you to find articles from the Psychological Science Journal and only ones published after May 1st, 2024. How do you do that? It turns out it's trickier than it seems, but if you follow these instructions, it'll be fine. So first of all, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and you'll see the last question is, where do I find the journal Psychological Science? So you can click on this, and then it'll kind of walk you through things here a little bit. I might be already signed in, by the way. It might not ask me to sign in, but if it asks you to sign in, sign in. Okay, but I'm going to go to the library search. I'm going to follow this link. I'm going to find the journals link on the nav bar, and then I'm basically going to type in the journal I'm looking for. And then I'm going to show you some other stuff. Okay, so library search, and then go to journals, and then say Psychological Science. Press return. It should be the top one. You'll recognize it by this red cover. Okay, and now here's the critical step. Look down here. Browse recent issues. Remember, we want from May 2024 on. If you start following these other links, you're going to get to the journal, but trust me, you'll be confused. I've been there myself. So if you browse recent issues and go there, now you're already finding journals. Now, potential experiments, potential studies you could write about. It's showing you the most recent issue from 2024. There's 12 issues a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the November issue. There will be a 12th in December that is not yet out. Okay, and so you want anything after May, January, February, March, April, May. So from issue 5 on, any of these issues from 5 on, you can click on a link, any one you want. You will see some of the studies that are available here under that link. See, here's a kind of a fun one for me. Divergent and convergent creativity are different kinds of foraging. I don't know what that means. I do know Michael Spivey, though, interestingly. So at any rate, if you decide, hey, that sounds kind of interesting, I wouldn't mind summarizing that one, then right here you can just click on this and boom, there you go. You have the journal article. And you can read the abstract, get a sense of it, and there's the article. And then again, everything you need to do from there, I think, is pretty clear from the instructions. It's just kind of getting there. And let's just check to make sure this is after May 2024. That's funny, they don't put the month so much here. So they're saying it's 2024. Again, as long as you're picking from issue 5 or later, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, any of those issues, then it's perfectly fine. Okay, so that's the trick. Again, once you get there, as you saw from here, once you get there, there's a lot of choice, right? A lot of different things you can look for, find various articles that you might find interesting. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 issues to choose from, each of which maybe have 8 to 10 articles. So yeah, that's the trick. Find the article, and then from there, just do what it says for the rest. Read and analyze the article, design your infographic, and then you have your format and submission requirements and the due date. Alrighty, cool. Cool. So hopefully that helps you with that. I am going to just leave it there. Good luck.